Another method in finding limits can be using calculators. However, in many college classes or high-level calculus classes, they do not let you use calculators, which is why we are showing you all the other ways to do it. However, one section in our project will be to show you how to actually use a calculator in order to find limits. So first what I did was I typed in the problem, which was x to the third minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Now to find the limit, I'm going to hit this graph button. There's the graph. You want to go to table set and set it where x is approaching. The limit is x as is approaching 1. Once that is typed in, you hit second and you get to table. Then looking at the table, you go above and below 1. As you can see 1, it says error. That's because when you're at 1, you have a 0 in the denominator, and that is not existing. So you look above and below, and if you look above it, as you're approaching 1, it seems to be going closer and closer, about 1.5. When you're below it, as you're getting closer and closer to 1, it seems to be getting about 1.5. So it is safe to say that the limit is 1.5 for this problem. Also, another way you could check it is by looking at it graphically. As you can see here, as x is approaching 1, when you get over to right about here, you see that the graph is just about at 1.5 when the x-axis, where the x value is at 1. So you can look on the graph. You can also hit the trace button, so you can go over to x equals 1. And as you can see here, it says x equals 1.06, and the y value is 1.5. So that's another way to find limits using technology.